Let's get right into stopping those constant Stripe notification emails every time you make a sale. When you are first starting out, seeing those payment alerts can be exciting, but as your business grows, they quickly clutter up your inbox. The good news is that you can customize exactly what you receive in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main page, look for the settings icon, which is the little gear wheel in the top right corner of your screen. If you do not see it there, you can also click on your account name down in the bottom left corner and select Settings from the pop-up menu. This will take you to your main settings overview. From here, you want to look under the Personal Settings section. Here, you should see a section that says Communication Preferences. If you want to save time in the future, you can even bookmark the direct link, which you see on the screen. Once you are on this page, you will see a few different tabs at the top, like Account, Transactions and Balances, and API. Make sure you are on the Transactions and Balances tab. Scroll down past the Financial Accounts section until you reach the section labeled Payments. Here, you will see a long list of different event types with checkboxes for email, text, and push notifications. Look down toward the bottom of this list until you find the row for Successful Payments. Right now, you probably have the checkbox under the email column checked. To stop getting every sale email, simply click that box to uncheck it and toggle it off. Keep in mind the trade-off here. Once you turn this off, Stripe will stop sending you real-time confirmation emails for successful sales, so you will need to manually check your dashboard to see your daily volume. While you are here, you can also uncheck other noisy notifications like failed payments or radar fraud detection if you want a cleaner inbox. After you make your changes, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click the purple Save button. I hope you found this short video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.